हरि ओम्। इदानीं वयं श्लोकं प्रार्थनाश्लोकं वदामः वसुदेवसुतमिति। अहं वदामि, सर्वे अनुवदन्तु। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Here, vande means namami. I salute. Aham vande. Aham iti kartrupadam. So you don't find aham here in this shloka, but it is implied. Aham vande. Who do I salute to? Who am I? Who am I doing this salutation for? Krishnam, aham Krishnam vande. Krishnaha Bhagavan asti. Krishnaha prathama vibhakti Krishnaha asti. Aham Krishnam vande. So Krishnaha is the atra karma padam. So aham Krishnam vande. Krishnaha kaha? Who is Krishna? It is not Krishnaha. Rukara. People say Kri because they write in English, they write KRI, so they convert in original pronunciation itself is changed as to suit English. Kri. It is not Krishna, it is Rukara. You learn Krishnaha. So Krishnaha kaha? Krishnaha Devaha. So aham Devam vande. Is it right to say aham Krishnaha vande? If you say Krishnaha vande, that means Krishna is saluting someone. Right? No, we don't mean that. You mean Krishna is the karma padam. It is Krishna. So Devam vande, Krishnam vande. Krishnaha Devaha. Who else is Krishna? Krishna. Vasudeva Sutaha. Sutaha is putraha. Vasudevasya putraha. So Krishna is Vasudeva Sutaha. So aham Vasudeva Sutam vande. Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha. Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha. Mardanaha means one who has killed or punished, destroyed. Whom did it? Krishna kill. Kamsa and Chanura, they are bad guys. So he was Kamsa was the uncle, the bad uncle, and Chanura was a wrestler. So Kamsa, the bad king, he was afraid of Krishna. So to kill Krishna, he engaged Chanura, the wrestler. He thought that wrestling, Chanura is a very powerful wrestler and he will kill Krishna. But Krishna being, he's a god and a Balavan, he killed Chanura and also Kamsa. So he is called Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha. Karma padam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. So aham Kamsa Chanura Mardanam vande. And who else is Krishna? Devaki Paramanandaha. You know what is Anandaha? Right? So when you learn Sanskritam, when you chant shlokas, what you get is Anandaha, that is happiness. What is Paramanandaha? Great happiness. Paramananda. Krishna is the greatest happiness for whom? Obviously, mom, right? Children are the greatest happiness for mom. So Devaki Paramananda. He is Devaki's greatest happiness. So Devaki Paramanandaha Krishna. So Devaki Paramanandam Vande. Who else is Krishna? Jagat Guru, universal teacher. Right? So I keep repeating this. Our Sanatana Dharma, our Vedanta, our Bhagavad Gita, these are universal. People think, oh, it is Hindu religion, it is a religious book, religious thing. No. It is not just one of the religions, it is universal. So whatever is taught in Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, our Sanatana Dharma applies to universe, all humanity. So Jagat Guru, Bhagavan Krishna is Jagat Guru because he is a universal teacher. His teaching applies to everybody, all countries, all people, all the time. So he is a Jagat Guru. So Jagat Gurum Vande. So I am saluting Bhagavan Krishna. He is a Deva. He is the one who killed Kamsa and Chanura. He is the son of Vasudeva. He is the greatest pleasure of Devaki. And he is a Jagat Guru. Him I am saluting. Punaha ekvara vadami. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. I want one of you to repeat after me one final time. Harini, Anuvad, I am Vadami, Bhavati Anuvad. Repeat after me. Everybody else will join Harini, but all of you will be muted. Only Harini will unmute, so that there is no noise. Vasudeva Sutam Devam
Vasudeva Sutam Devam
Kamsa Chanuramardanam
Kamsa Chanuramardanam
Devaki Paramanandam
Devaki Paramanandam
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Uttamam. Stopping here.